Today, let's get started with the Joint Entrance Main Physics Question Paper 2019. Here three charges are given, plus q, small q and plus q are placed respectively at a distance 0, d by 2 and d from the origin on the x-axis. So, if I draw this diagram, this first charge is plus q. So, this is plus q and in the center this is q and in the last one this is plus q also. Here this is the distance at d by 2 and d from the origin. Here this is d by 2 and this is d from the origin. This plus q in the right hand side placed at a distance d from the origin. So, here if the net force experienced by plus q, this q is having the force on plus capital Q. So, the force is in this direction. If this is FB, and here this small q is also an force of capital Q and capital Q also an force of capital Q. This capital Q is a force of on plus q and small q is also a force of on plus capital Q, this in left hand side. So, we suppose this is FB and in this direction this force is FA. So, for equilibrium we have FA plus FB, FA plus FB is equals to 0. FA is equals to minus of FB and we have to write the FA is equals to the force on plus q charge of the force of this right hand plus q. The force on the left plus q charge for the right plus q charge is FA. So, FA is equals to something about constant 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, this written as K, Q into Q divided by D square. As their distance between plus Q and this plus Q is small d. So, this is D square. This equals to minus of FB is the force between this plus Q in the left hand side and small q. This FB is the force between this FB is the force between plus capital Q in the left hand side and small q in the right hand side. So, here we can written it as K into capital Q into small q, distance between them is d by 2 is given, d by 2 square. So, this is by Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. So, if we solving this equation, then we get the small q equals to minus of capital Q by 4. So, here the value of q is minus of capital Q by 4. This is the correct option. So, If you have any query, then comment in the comment box, and you can WhatsApp us also in this number. This is 9836793076. You can WhatsApp also in this number 9836793076. So that's all for today.